In the not-so-distant fictional future, a chilling scenario unfolds in Moscow. A generator roars to life, signaling the start of an unimaginable event. Iron doors of a hidden missile silo slide open with a bassy rumble, shaking the very ground. Smoke billows as a nuclear missile ascends, quickly becoming just a white dot on the horizon. In just 20 minutes, this missile, launched from Moscow, is set to strike London, the world's 6th richest city. This sets the stage for a harrowing exploration of the United Kingdom's precarious position should World War III erupt. A troubling dawn. The scene of a missile launch follows the re-election of Vladimir Putin for his 5th term. Celebrating a controversial 88% of the vote, Putin responds ominously to a reporter's query about France's military support to Ukraine. It's clear to everyone that this would be one step from a full-scale World War III, he declares, echoing the grim readiness for a global conflict that has been a recurring theme in his administration. Dmitry Medvedev, another prominent figure in Russian politics, had previously threatened that any defeat of Russia in Ukraine could trigger a nuclear response targeting major Western cities including London. Why London? The choice of London as a primary target is rooted deeply in the historical tensions between Russia and the UK. The UK's soil has witnessed a series of Russian espionage activities and attacks, such as the infamous poisonings with Novichok nerve agent. These incidents, combined with the UK's significant support to Ukraine amid the Russian invasion, amplify its position on Russia's list of nuclear targets. The decline of British military might. Historically, the UK has been a formidable force. At its zenith during the colonial era, it controlled vast territories across the globe. It was the first to industrialize, giving it a substantial lead over its peers. However, the subsequent decades saw a gradual decline in its global influence and military prowess. By 2024, despite its impressive global rankings and alliances in major international organizations, the reality of the British military's capabilities tells a starkly different story. Years of military disengagement following the Cold War, coupled with the focus shifting towards combating terrorism alongside the US, have led to a neglected and underfunded military apparatus. The prolonged conflicts in Iraq and Afghanistan drained resources and morale, leaving the military overstretched and outdated. A question of readiness. The UK's current military strategy seems insufficient for a large-scale conflict. The army is shrinking, and the fleet of aging Challenger 2 tanks, although scheduled for an upgrade to Challenger 3s, is inadequate compared to the potential threats from Russia and China. The British Army's reliance on outdated equipment like the SA-80 rifle further underscores the systemic issues within the armed forces. Modern warfare and the UK's defenses. As the world of warfare advances with technologies like long-range ballistic missiles and supersonic aircraft, the UK's historical geographic advantage as an island becomes less protective. Today's war tactics involve capabilities that can easily breach the English Channel defenses that once shielded the UK during World War II. The final verdict. While the UK possesses advanced technologies like the F-35 fighter jets and has significant naval capabilities to defend its waters, these might be insufficient in a nuclear scenario. The hypothetical targeting of London with a nuclear missile illustrates a catastrophic vulnerability. The geographical limitation of the island nation means limited escape options for civilians, exacerbating the potential human tragedy. In this fictional yet disturbingly plausible scenario, the UK's past military glory contrasts sharply with its current vulnerabilities, highlighting a dire need for strategic reassessment and robust policy shifts to address these defense gaps. The scenario serves as a stark reminder of the grim realities of nuclear warfare and the urgent need for diplomatic resolutions to global conflicts.